Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to build an Instagram meme page with Make.com and ChatGPT-3. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Make.com, just click on the Create an Account option. And from here, you can choose your Google account, your Facebook, your GitHub, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, building an Instagram meme page using Make.com and GPT-3 offers several benefits for you because number one, ChatGPT-3 integration within Make.com enables quick and efficient content creation. Basically, you can generate meme captions and ideas rapidly, reducing the time and effort required to brainstorm and create memes manually. Nowadays, ChatGPT-3 can suggest unique and creative captions or ideas that you might not have thought on your own. This expands your creative possibilities and lead to more engaging and original meme content. But the first thing that we need to know is we need to go to our Make.com account. And from here, Make.com provides a range of meme templates and customization tools. Combined with ChatGPT-3, you can create diverse meme content that appeals to your different audiences and meme styles. So let's start from scratch. All we have to do is you can go to the templates, all right? Discard changes and let's create a new one, all right? Just wait for it a little bit. Now, here are the templates that you can use to create a meme page for an Instagram meme page. But what we wanted to do is make a connection. Now once here, you can open the scenario builder or browse templates. Okay, so these are the public templates, but if obviously we can't find the Instagram meme page using the Make.com and ChatGPT-3. So we are going to create from scratch. But I'm just showing you if you're using on other platforms like Trello, Google Calendar, and a lot more, you go here at the public templates. Let's try it again to go to scenarios and click on the open scenario builder. Now, once you are here, I'm going to rename this one as okay. And then from here, let's try to look for the app. Obviously, that's going to be our, let's search for it. Instagram. There you go, Instagram for business. Make sure that your Instagram for business is verified, and this is going to be the trigger, okay, or the event. What we need is let's look for the watch public user media, this one. All right, click on that one. Now this is very important because you need to add the connection to your Instagram for business. And the page, let's leave it for now. Username is going to be this one. And after that, now after we have created the Instagram for business, that's going to be for the meme page. Let's click another apps and scenario, and what we're looking for is the OpenAI ChatGPT-3. Click on it, and from here, what we need to select is the create completion option. Let's search for this one. Creates a completion for a prompt or chat. Yeah, this one. Click on it. And from here, of course, you need to select the connection and the select method. Of course, on the model, you can choose from ChatGPT-3 3.5, Turbo, and a lot more. It's up to you on what you are using. But right now, I'm going to use the ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. Of course, you can put the max tokens. Now, the max tokens are to use in the completion. If there's a zero, the limit of the model will be used. All right. So you can select as many as you can, but I believe there's a limit depending on your subscription. and of course click OK. Now if you click on the show advanced settings, it will give you the temperature to generate more diverse and creative responses. We're not going to deal with that because it's a more advanced for highly skilled users of make.com. So let's leave it this one for now and click on OK. Now if there's a empty field, all you have to do is click on it. Just click user. Message content is, again, you can select from all of these options that you can see it from here, and click OK. And from there, we need to add another module, which is gonna be the Instagram business again. But this time, what we need to do is to create a photo post. This one. Okay? And it's the same process. All I have to do is just click on it, and that's it. Now, the idea is you need to go to a specific Instagram profile. The make.com profile will generate meme pages for you using your ChatGPT and make.com. Okay. Now, if the process is very technical or more advanced, I will give you a very quick tip on how to deal with it. All you have to do is just go here. This is the specific section from make.com to connect Instagram for Business and OpenAI, whether it's ChatGPT, Whisper, all right, integrations. So all I have to do, again, it's the same process that we created earlier. You have to select a trigger. Of course, that's going to be the watch public user media, if you still remember. And the action. Of course, it creates a completion or a prompt. And what will happen is, all I have to do is just click on the login page. And that will create an Instagram meme page here using make.com and ChatGPT-3. All right, so that's going to be a lot easier because it's automated already. You don't have to build something new, because earlier what I did was to show you how to make it from scratch if you wanted a more customized and if you wanted to have a full control of making an Instagram meme page using make.com plus the ChatGPT-3. And from here, there's a lot that you can explore if you are interested. You see this one, you can build your Instagram for business integration, and there's a lot. Okay, there's a triggers, there's an actions, and these are the options that you can use whenever you wanted to try it. Okay, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.